Hi, welcome to Be Creative Clonmel. Today we're going to make Foley sound effects. Foley is a recording of everyday sound effects that can be added to film or an audio production. These reproduced sounds, named after sound effects artist Jack Foley, can be anything from the swishing of clothes and footsteps to squeaky doors and hitting a phone book to make punching sounds. I have selected a few items to create some cool sound effects you could use for your film or audio story. You will need a paper bag, celery, a bamboo stick, and some gravel in a cardboard box. Rustle a paper bag to make the sound of a campfire. When you speed this sound up, it sounds a little bit like rainfall or the sizzling of a frying pan. Break some celery to make a breaking bone sound. Try making twisting and snapping sounds. When we slowed it down, we thought it also sounded a little bit like a tree falling. A bamboo stick can create the sounds of arrows flying through the air. And when you slow this sound down, I think it sounds a little bit like dragon wings. Walk on the gravel in the box to record the sound of footsteps. When you slow it down, it sounds like a giant's footsteps. You can download an app called Audio Speed Changer to slow down or speed up your sound effects on your phone. You don't need any fancy equipment to record Foley sounds. Most phones nowadays can make a good quality recording. Make sure you record in a quiet room, and I recommend hanging a sound absorbing material like a blanket behind you while you're recording. Play around with Foley sounds yourself. Try recording more sounds from different materials you find at home or in the garden. Use your imagination. Until next time, be creative.